Last time on Races to Places, it was a spot of dirt biking. Copacabana Beach is located in the south zone of Rio de Janeiro. The sandy beach stretches over 2.5 miles and is one of the most famous beaches in the world.
So here I am just sat on Copacabana Beach and been here for about an hour. I bought a bottle of water and some cashew nuts, and at the same time of buying my cashew nuts I would offer some weed, maybe some crack cocaine, a whole load of different things that I didn't expect to be offered by a guy selling water and cashew nuts on the beach. But this is Rio, having a good time, hanging out in the ocean and a bit of this and that, just chillaxing for a day really. It's always hard work when you're on the bike, so many hours just slogging miles out trying to get to different places. It's nice to take a day out and chill out.
There's Copacabana Beach.
Got chocolate.
Chocolate. That's chocolate.
That's serious, that stuff. What's that called?
That's gotas de oro.
Okay, I thought it was having a little bit of each of
No,
them.
you're having a whole glass of each.
Oh man.
Because they're only little glasses, Lyndon. Don't be a wuss.
This is what happens when you meet fellow Brits travelling. What is it again?
Gotas de oro. Drops
Hang
of
on.
gold.
It won't even focus, it's that strong.
Is that the
Tony's drunk again. Alright, Tony, and this is Marcus and Julie of Tuck's Truck.
Cheers.
This is the truck. Hello, Tuck. Tuck?
Cuthbert.
Cuthbert.
Cuthbert the truck.
Cuthbert the truck. And what would hang on. Cheers.
Salute.
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 Cheers.
Focus. Thank you.
Focus.
Now it's time.
Pay attention.
Cheers. Is it strong?
No, it's fine. It's just like water.
Holy shit. So, let me just explain who Cuthbert is and who the Tucks are. So Cuthbert is the Iveco that delivered the Yorkshire tea during Dakar Rally.
and it was piloted by Marcus and Julie. So Marcus and Julie are the driver and navigator of Cuthbert, who brought the Yorkshire tea to Dakar. Bit of local transport here this morning. There we go. So this morning is a bit of a maintenance morning. Small problem with the bike, just a very small electrical problem. So I need to just change a few things to figure it out. I've done the carb, I've put a new plug in, I've done all the usual stuff. So I think I'm going to change the coil and the plug cap this morning and see if it's that. I've carried a coil and a plug cap for the whole trip. So here we've got the plug cap, which I'm suspecting it could possibly be. I don't know, we've got the HT lead, which does look a little bit waffy here. Have to check that out. And there's the coil. Maybe we'll just change the coil and everything, maybe one thing. But first we're going to just check this connection here. Let me introduce the beast, Cuthbert. Cuthbert is an amazing four-wheel drive Iveco beastie. We've met a few times on our trip now, but this time will be the last time because they're heading north through Brazil and we're heading south.
You need that plug spanner, Lyndon?
Oh yeah, I'm not sure that'll be long enough to undo it. Cut a good fresh chunk of that off. Sure if that's fixed the problem or not, but we'll give it a go today and see if it's any better. Alright guys, until next time, see you later. Thank you. Wow, proper cobbled streets, massive holes. You'd think with the amount of smoke coming out of that motorcycle, it was a two-stroke. But I'm not so sure it is. Nope, it's a four-stroke. Woo! Burning oil. So I've just arrived in a small village called Iguape, and here we're going to meet Alison and Fabio, the two guys that we went off-road riding with. So we've met up with the Brazilian guys, and we're now working our way towards the beach.
Steady on, Lyndon. We're going to get a speeding ticket at this rate.
Like Tony's back to enjoying his favourite pastime again. Fucking hell, mate, it's like drinking chewing gum.
It's not often I just go slowly and take it all in, but the colours of the trees and the plants and everything here is really, really nice. I hope the camera shows it off. amazing that these old cobbled roads have less potholes in them than the modern roads that we have today. The workmanship and the quality of the roads is just so much better than what we have today. Stop and get some photos of the other guys coming through here. That's why I'm going ahead. City of Florianopolis on the east coast of Brazil, just crossing the bridge onto the island. So I came out from the camping place that we're staying at to find that the guys left me a nice present on the bike tonight. Must have thought Basil needed a new crankshaft or something. Check this bad boy out. Big end's a little bit seized. I mean, a little bit of movement in there, nothing a bit of WD-40 wouldn't fix. It's been really nice riding with these guys here in Brazil and just finding some places that we probably wouldn't have gone if it wasn't for them. So dirt bike riding and a few other bits and pieces, so it was been a pleasure hanging out with them. So this big valley here that you can see in front of me, which we're going to ride through, you can see how big it is. But doing a little research on this was handmade. So this channel here was dug out with picks, axes, shovels, all of it a long time ago. Pretty amazing. Nice. Look at that there, you could do that wingsuit through there. Well, I would want to try it. Alright, here we are, Morro De Lgreja. This is the tallest point in southern Brazil. Just ridden up here, and as you can see there's a pretty amazing view out there. So I think we'll just spend a couple of minutes here before getting back on the motos again. Check out Guitar George. He knows all the chords. You can probably guess what I'm listening to, a bit of Dire Straits today.
We're currently still in Brazil. However, Lyndon and Tony are heading towards Uruguay, so we'll part company with Fabio and Alison.
What have you got there? You have change for $1 million?
I've got 30.
What's better, man?
Next time on Races to Places, it's back into Argentina.
Hi everyone, I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my media and for all the great comments that I receive every single day. Please keep them coming.
I'm just going to share with you my Patreon page. Patreon is a membership-based platform that gives creators like me the opportunity to continue to create the media that you love to watch. For just a few dollars a month, I can give you priority viewing, I can give you special features, informative posts about the things that you want to know. It creates a platform for interaction between you, the viewer, and me, the creator. Now, a few dollars a month might not seem like a lot to you, but for me, collectively, it makes a huge difference. So please check out the link at the bottom of the page, and I appreciate any contribution you can make to make my job sustainable. In return for that, I promise to keep creating great media that you love, dreaming up new projects, filming it and sharing it with you all. Thanks.